love. Can't nobody fuck with me. I'm a boss, shawty wanna get on my team. Bitch, I'm Mikey B, you can't get everything you see. Posted in the back, watch two bitches on my Can't nobody fuck with me. I'm a boss, shawty wanna get on my team. Bitch, I'm Mikey B, you can't get everything you see. Posted in the back, watch two bitches on my
What's going on, y'all? This is Mikey B. So today I'll be showing you guys baked mac and cheese, brown rice, and oven baked wings. The first thing I'm gonna start off with is the cleaning of the chicken. So you gotta clean your chicken. Don't nobody want no dirty chicken wing, you know? Don't nobody want no dirty chicken, man. Clean your chicken, please, guys. Please clean your chicken. When it comes to seasoning my chicken, I use 5 main ingredients. So first one, ginger. Second one, Southwest Chipotle. Third, black pepper. Fourth, parsley. Fifth, mustard. I'm a southern boy. Alright guys, so once you put all your seasoning on, this is how you want your chicken to look, okay? This is before you mix it up and toss it or whatever. So before you mix up the chicken, it is important to figure out what sauce you're gonna use. I'm using a teriyaki sauce today. PF Chang's. Can't miss with that sauce, guys. With this sauce, I'll use about a half a cup. So a half a cup will get you right. You don't want to use too much sauce because once you put it in the pan, all that juice that's gonna fall out inside the chicken is only gonna be simmered back in. Okay? So sauce. Half a cup. In the bottle itself, it only comes with 2 cups. So all right. So once you're done mixing up your chicken, this is what your final results will be. See that? The color. So I pick it up. Color is extremely nice on that. Okay. Flip it on the other side. In a restaurant, you can't have as much seasoning as you would like due to the fact that a lot of people have allergies. So that's why I pick my 5 ingredients that I use or my 5 seasonings that I use and I stick with that, okay? Once that is complete, my next step is to put it inside of this pan, okay? So what I'm gonna do with my grapeseed oil is I'm gonna drizzle a little bit on top of the chicken, okay? Take a little cup and pour it on the side. So you don't want to pour it directly on top of your chicken. All it's going to do is wash all your seasoning off. So instead, I'm just going to pour it on the side. Okay, now that you're done with that, you're not gonna wrap it up just yet. What you're gonna do, throw it inside of the oven. You're gonna throw it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes and you're gonna check on it, okay? We'll be right back. All right, guys, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make our brown rice and our macaroni and cheese. And then we're gonna put our macaroni and cheese in the oven, okay? Now, we will do this by the book. You know, it's 2 to 1 when it comes to on the rice, but when it comes to the macaroni. So if we was doing this by the book, it'll be 2 to 1 on rice to water. And with the macaroni, you can really put out as much water as you want, just add salt. But always remember, you can always add salt, but you can't take salt away, okay? All right, and then after those 15, 20 minutes, you're gonna wanna wrap your chicken up and we'll check on it again in the next 20 minutes. So let me take you guys over here. So this is the chicken. And that's some chicken I put to the side to give it a firm crisp on the top. And this is the mac and cheese. I'll give this about 5 more minutes and then this should be complete. And I'll be right back. Okay guys, now I let the macaroni sit out of the aluminum foil for about 7 to 10 minutes. This is the final piece. Okay. All right, guys. And there we have it. So we got the baked chicken with the jasmine brown rice, with the macaroni and cheese. So like I said, you know, it's different levels to cooking. Like this meal right here is just a simple meal. I could have just put it on the plate, but I made it a different type of level because this is how I sell food. Now, I just want to show you guys how I cook And if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.
Love. Can't nobody fuck with me. I'm a boss, shawty wanna get on my team. Bitch, I'm Mikey B, you can't get everything you see. Posted in the back, watch two bitches on my Can't nobody fuck with me. I'm a boss, shawty wanna get on my team. Bitch, I'm Mikey B, you can't get everything you see. Posted in the back, watch two bitches on my